Alright, what's going on, guys? We're on for another overnight trip. We've got Ethan, Glenn, Matthias. The boys are on. It is full spearing and fishing trip. No bullshit. And yeah. So we've got 2 hours to drive to Lucinda right now, and then we're gonna launch the boat and we're just gonna get in and we're gonna have the best time ever. This is gonna top off everything. I already can feel it.
Yeah, keep winding. Put solid
Alright, 1 minute into trolling. We're on Ethan's lure again. Yo, have a look at that.
Nice Mackie, bro.
That's gonna be a beautiful fish. Guys, we have literally been here for what, less than an hour. We've got the coral trout in the first 10 seconds. As soon as we put the trolling gear in, we're on.
Tailed him.
Oh! Look at that!
He swallowed that lure, bro.
It pinned on the top hook.
Have a look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo! This is a beautiful fish. Yes.
Bruh. Tears, what do you reckon?
Bro, I'm so dead, man.
You're dead? Ah, that was one fish.
Everyone be careful.
Yep. Alright, flying scissors. We'll prep him and we'll see you soon.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, we hooked up to that massive mackerel and
You got the
have a look at that. Woo! Matthias again is on for the Spanish mackerel. Like that, to start the day off with that is great. Obviously we didn't want to like get a big fish like that to fill the Esky because it would have been better for tomorrow, but I mean, if we get any more Spanish, we'll probably just put them back. But so happy with that. Incredible.
Yeah, the boys.
Oh, we just found some rubbish in the middle of the ocean. It's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. Hate rubbish. Alright, longtail, guys. Oh. Wait, make sure you're like getting it. Like right there, get that. Oh, it's a beautiful tuna.
Big longtail.
They get up close. Let's see it. Have a look at that, guys. Tuna, we're on. Longtail. Beauty.
He's still a bit green, eh?
Those hooks are good.
He's coming your way. Hold on. Wait. Little jelly bean.
Yeah. Woo! We got tuna! Have a look at that, guys. We are
jelly bean.
This
size.
is a beautiful fish. This is the first one we've actually got of this. Wait. Have a look at that, guys. That is a beautiful tuna. We are having so much fun out here.
What are we gonna eat? So
good tuna! Nice, Ethan!
Hey, on the school.
about 8 in the same drop. I saw 3 in front of me, 3 behind me, and 1 on each side. It was incredible. I got this little guy. There was one bigger one, but I couldn't quite get the shot on him. Alright, it's midday now, and we just cooked up a bit of fish. Everyone's having a fish hanger. How is it?
It's amazing.
Alright, so we hopped out of the water. Spearing wasn't that successful, but oh, my rod's gone. But we're just gonna do some fishing because fun.
Be out here. Look at that color, man.
Bro, this is a beautiful fish. Have a look at that.
It's even prettier than stack, bro. Just jump. You jump in the water. Let's keep the trout. Let's use it. Hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah. I think you should be going for 4 next time.
Yeah.
Double hookup.
Should have got 4.
Little trout and a triggerfish.
Big nugget! No, he's good! Oh, that's mine!
Oh. Alright, hooked up again.
Keep tight, man, keep tight! Crank, don't give him any...
Ah, no!
Yeah, don't give him any slack.
Keep it tight, keep the line tight.
He's still a bit green.
Oh, watch out for the engine, watch out.
It's in neutral, man. It's in neutral. I reckon it's about the same size as the other. Yeah, but this one's going to the gym. It just fought harder.
Oh, he's coming to you.
Oh, it's only just hooked.
Got him?
Oh!
Oh, that was massive.
He's bigger! He's so much bigger.
Alright, we're releasing this beautiful thing. We've already got a full Esky, so there's no point in keeping this guy. Okay, hold on, what am I doing? Double hook up, both Ethan.
No, we're not double hook up, man. He stole mine. It dropped off mine and then took his instead.
Okay, well, so Glenn hooked up and then he lost it, then Ethan's hooked straight up afterwards, but yeah. Hold on, I'll just get the music off. Alright, so we just got that massive mackie and we just put it back because there was no point in even keeping it. But look at this. Ethan is the king at this sort of stuff. He's just too good. He's freaking...
What is that?
Whoa! Yeah. That's a good size.
That's a good eating size one.
Are we gonna keep that? Yeah, man. Yeah, we'll keep that one. Alright, mate.
He's still a bit green, so he's gonna go nuts.
Woo!
Yeah, don't let that one go, please.
Yeah, just grab it there.
Actually, bonk it on the head now.
What's this? 3rd nice size Spanish mackerel. This one's
Look at that red emperor right there.
We're probably gonna keep this one because he is a beautiful size. Those big ones you sort of just want to put back and let someone else catch them, but yeah.
So, best thing you can do, knock them on the head and bleed them. Best way to keep these guys fresh.
Alright, Ethan's the man. He knows what he's doing. He's always on top of it. It's so good. Having on the boat, he just racks up the fish. His lure always hooks up. It's crazy.
Good. I'm on. Yep.
I think I'm on.
Glenn's on. He's not going away this time.
Come on, Glenn.
Zach was briefly on. I think he's off now, and Glenn.
We've lost my fish.
Nah, Glenn's on. Glenn's good. Crank yours in, Zach, if you can. He's been wanting one all afternoon.
Bring that tuna in.
He set the hook like an American bass fisherman.
Alright, so I lost my fish, which was disappointing, but another mackie.
Tiny. Neutral. Nah, just lift him straight in. He's hooked well. Yeah.
It's a shark.
Shark mackerel.
We're just releasing this little sharky. Alright, what are you boys on?
No, you haven't. No, you haven't. No, you haven't. It's just coming towards you. Keep. I think so. Yeah, it's a baby shark, man. Man, we should go marlin fishing.
Alright, so as you guys saw, we have just been hooking up to mackerel like crazy. 5 or something in the last 30 minutes, and it's incredible. We're trying to find a good spot to anchor for the night because we want to do a bunch of night fishing, but we haven't got an amazing mark yet. Because last time we marked, we set on a spot and we got absolutely nothing the whole night. And the sun's just going down right now. Matthias's mum.
We're trying to get some kraken in the night.
Double hook again! You guys are so on! You said it 2 seconds ago! Should I just lift him up?
I don't know. I'll get him. There you go, hold him. Not the wire, it's right. There you go.
Oh, look at that guy's another little Spanish. Beauty.
We'll let him go and find a place.
Alright, we're gonna release this guy.
He's ready to go.
Bro, he literally said, "We're on," and then
You can see them, they come up for it. You gotta...
Alright, so Glenn hooked up again. I don't think you guys realize how often we're hooking up right now. Like, we're literally getting a fish every 2 minutes we send the lines out. We want a tuna. We keep getting mackerel, but I mean, like, you can't complain.
He's skipping him.
what is it? What is it?
You want this?
Yeah, that was the last one, bro.
Another shark mackerel. No, it wasn't the teeth. It was just this part. Yeah. This guy back in. There he goes. He's off.
Elegant.
Oh, double! Sunset and double hookup. Come on. You guys have to both bring them in right now. Come on. 2 hookups. Sun is setting. We are having the best time ever out here. I think we've hooked up to 10 mackerel in the last 1 hour now.
The exact same one as this.
Alright, another Spanish.
Oh, that's a good size.
Alright, we need to change these.
Yeah. Have a look at this, guys. Our 5th, 6th Spanish in the last 1 hour.
10 or something. Send him.
Wait, he's there.
He's off.
He's right there.
Oh yeah, he's still going.
And first fish of many tonight.
We can sashimi that, right?
Alright, that's a good start. A nice, decent sized trout. That is keen.
What if we put the
Alright, so after an amazing day, we obviously have to have a couple of things go wrong. Cut my hand with the drone. And so it's literally so beautiful right now, and I can't even get the drone up, unfortunately. And the milk we had is now leaking. So milk's leaked into all of the fish, and it's not bad, but it's not ideal. And yeah, just I don't know. I guess after such a great day, it's alright. We'll live. Alright, Ethan's just filleting up our tuna. It is tuna sashimi for dinner. And how lucky is that?
It's real orange.
Alright, well, our light also isn't working, so that's why the lighting's not too good. And unfortunately I can't fix it. I've been trying to fix it for the last 15 minutes, but it won't budge.
Oh, have a look at that big slab of tuna. Beauty. Smell, man. That's not... Oof. And then you just go.
Is that a what?
Scared the shit out of me.
And that is our tuna sashimi. Alright, so we've already eaten our sashimi, and now Ethan's cooking us up some tuna steak. And so keen. Yeah, the stars are already coming out. It's so beautiful out here. Wait, don't swear. Have a look at that. That is. How is it, Matthias?
It's insanely good.
Nice, man.
In the line right now.
Whatever the heck.
Is it off?
Mine was the biggest fish.
Look at the rod!